Moyenus in the mic. So today I am taking you on the Top City Views tour. Now this is the tour that has all the top panoramic views in Luxembourg City. Let's get going that way. So this is Place de la Constitution, which has this epic view down into the Petrus Valley. And we are going to continue that way. This is leading to the amazing pedestrian bike bridge underneath the Pont Adolphe. This beautiful oasis of green right through the heart of the city. It's truly one of my favorite places. So we're going to continue from where we came and head back beyond the Gelefra. This is the Justice Quarter, where all the courts are in Luxembourg. And it's also the springboard to some amazing views from up here on the Plateau de Saint-Esprit. This leads to the equally as amazing Corniche, which is over in that direction. The Corniche is often referred to as Europe's most beautiful balcony, with good reason. I mean, look at that view. So this is the Bach, on which sat the original castle of Luxembourg more than 1,000 years ago. From up here, you have these amazing views down to the Grund on one side, and to Pfaffendael and Kirchberg on the other side. So right now we're going to head for the Pfaffendael lift. Now we're going to head over there towards the funicular. And of course, since public transportation is free in Luxembourg, you can just jump right on. And voila, we are here. From the funicular, we're going to cross the street here and walk back across the Red Bridge. So we're going to continue that way. And we are just about done. So keep in mind that the Luxembourg City Tourist Office offers guided tours of the Top City Views tour. And if you're interested in one of those, just go to luxembourg-city.com or just stop in at the Luxembourg City Tourist Office. Until next time, Addy ciao, tip top.